It's Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be answering a natural sciences matter and materials question taken from the Herzia Middle School Grade 7 June 2016 exam paper. Let's have a look at question 1.10. The question reads, in a coffee machine, which method is used to separate the ground coffee from the coffee solution? Okay, and on the right hand of the screen, there's an image of a coffee machine to help us in our thinking. Okay, now let's have a look at the options that are here. There's A, filtration, B, evaporation, C, distillation, and D, chromatography. Now the answer to our question is actually A. The definition for filtration is the process used to separate solid particles from a liquid with the help of a filter or pores of filter paper. Now in this coffee machine, we know that there's a filter in there where you put in your ground coffee. When it mixes with water and the coffee drops into the pot down here as it filters through the ground coffee grounds. Okay, so the answer that you want is filtration. It's not evaporation, because evaporation is the process in which a liquid turns into a gas with the help of heat. Okay, it's not distillation either, because distillation is the process of purifying a liquid through heating and cooling it. And it's not chromatography, because chromatography is the technique that is used to separate the components of a mixture through passing it through a solvent. So the answer that is correct is filtration. Okay, and if you ever get stuck, just remember that this is called filter coffee, and that will give you a clue on what the answer could be. Alright, so that's that for question 1.10. Before I go, I'd just like to send a shout out to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read more about them and about us in the description below. Also be sure to head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to a question, send it to us and we'll respond with the personalized video just for you. And until the next time, stay epic.